Senator Adeyemi don't come back again. I don't know whether na this man birthday this period, but they give us back to back and hot. Before I go tell una wetin this man don talk, I need to describe the whole vibe and you understand. This man is angry. He's pained. I can feel it from his voice, his action. You know when you don't vex, the thing don't overtake your head, scatter am. Now the vibe wey this man bring. So according to Rai, say our security system has collapsed. So it better make we look for foreign support because every part of this country is threatened. He say people, you no fit travel even short distance, even 30 minutes journey. He say you no fit travel where you no go, you understand, you no go encounter some kind things. He say Nigeria is bleeding seriously. So I beg, I don't bring a corner aside. Because join me, make we watch the video.
Our security system has collapsed. It has failed. And because it has failed, we need to look for foreign support. It costs Nigeria nothing. Forget the ego, forget the superiority of Nigeria in African nation. Today, we are facing serious problems. If our nation is to survive this period, I'm not in doubt that the security architecture we have today cannot cope with what we are facing. Every part of this country is threatened. From the north to the south, nobody is safe. Nobody can travel 50 kilometers in our nation. I feel like shedding tears for a country that we grew up, where nobody harass you when you travel from Lagos to Maiduguri. I've done it in times past. Today, I cannot travel from here to Kaduna to Niger State where I was born. The president must know that this is a bad time for our nation. We must look for foreign support to save this nation. This is my position, Mr. President.
My people. I beg, the energy we now just watch now for who? Hey! I beg, see, I understand that this man is in pain. But, anyhow, maybe this time around a mistake I go make. But if you now ask me, I dey feel say this thing they come out from your heart. I don't know, maybe that just the actual way they take but I dey feel the pain. But my question now be say, how these people, how did they think? Because as this man don't come out now, they tell us Nigeria this has collapsed, this one. Very right, is right. But now we supposed to think this thing very, very well. See, the foreign support now where we dey find. I hope to not be waiting they think. Because of the passive slavery. Not be foreign support we still did the way we did like this. I bet if I did mistake, make person correct me. Because me now wait I just think now. From the way I dey see this thing. Hey. If these people support this thing, I don't know, but may no come be say, now know that negative this thing with the compass. I know that years of slavery, now we go enter. No, just imagine foreign support. Problem, serious problem. They go come buy Nigeria. They go come, we not go understand. All the system go change, especially if the support where they define now negative one. Only God can save Nigeria. It is only God that can save this country. Now you they come out, they shout, this one, that one. See, they shout on top of your voice. They demonstrate energy. All the people who sit down there now, una think say they listen to this man. They know they listen to Ram. People who already they know like the truth. They are not listening to him, so forget it. The only thing where they think now, this man they shout. Now how they go share this money and better their lives? Now the only thing where they think about, so no stress yourself. Now the only thing where they sabi to wear nonsense about that and to think of how they go to share money. Finish. So make una no deceive una self. My people, I beg anytime when you wake up and before you sleep, say a prayer for Nigeria. No, na serious something. It is a very say a prayer for Nigeria, even if na 1 minute of your time. Be cool, because what Nigeria will face if some things are not tackled now, or if God no intervene, trust me, very soon I go see say we no get even one person no dey for Nigeria. Everybody go find where they go travel, go they stay. till 2023. This country will be so unbearable that you no go. Are they serious? So abeg, anything wey you dey do, just remember to put Nigeria inside your prayer. It's very, very important. I dey wonder sometimes whether President Buhari dey watch news. Even if you no get the time to watch am, e get personal assistant, abi? So definitely dey hear all the things wey dey happen. I dey wonder how e dey feel. Like, you know understand? E go just sit down there dey hear say 20 people have died, 7 people have died, and e no dey do anything about am. The annoying part of this whole matter sef, even to come outside to talk to us, we no dey see. At least, okay, the country is already scattered. People are already dying. You as the head, can you come outside and tell us? See, communication is important, oh. Me Asha, e good sef make you no come outside because already we have made up our mind. So anything wey wan happen go happen. But my prayer now be say, biko, make Nigeria dey in God hands. And abeg, I still dey repeat am. Put Nigeria in your prayers on a daily basis. We need am. This time, more than any other time, we need am. Abeg, no forget. And so, my people, so you need share this video so that everybody go know say Senator Adeyemi dey on serious fire. And as e be now, you no even dey smell with any of this House of Rep. You know that say they give them back to back. I dey like the energy, but just the hope say it's coming from his heart and it's the truth. Because these people they sabi camouflage. They go just they change. Very, very important. So still share this video, and I want to know what you think concerning this matter. Drop it for that comment section, and as usual, I go reply on one by one. Click on that bell so you no go miss anything where we get here for you. Stay tuned for our next story.